Hey, I'm Top 5 Trey, and today we're taking an in-depth look at the Redragon K617 FIZZ mechanical gaming keyboard, a compact gaming keyboard designed for players who want responsive mechanical performance, customizable RGB lighting, and a clean setup without spending a fortune. This keyboard is built for gamers who want a smaller footprint on their desk while still enjoying the benefits of a mechanical keyboard. Whether you're playing competitive shooters, grinding through your favorite RPGs, or simply looking for a comfortable keyboard for everyday use, the K617 FIZZ positions itself as an affordable option that delivers impressive value. If you want to grab this keyboard for yourself, I've left a link in the description below, so scroll down and check it out. Right out of the box, the Redragon K617 FIZZ immediately stands out with its compact 60% layout. By removing unnecessary keys and focusing on the essentials, it creates a cleaner setup while giving you more room for mouse movement. For competitive gamers, that extra desk space can make a noticeable difference during long sessions. It allows for wider mouse movements and helps keep your gaming area feeling organized and uncluttered. The design itself is modern and stylish. Despite its budget-friendly price point, it doesn't look or feel cheap. The keyboard has a clean appearance that works well in both gaming and everyday environments. Build quality feels solid throughout. The frame feels sturdy, and the keys sit securely in place. Nothing feels loose or fragile, giving you confidence that the keyboard is built to handle daily use. Once you start typing or gaming, the mechanical switches quickly become one of the biggest highlights. Every key press feels responsive and satisfying, providing the tactile feedback that many gamers and keyboard enthusiasts prefer. The keyboard feels fast and accurate, helping create a more engaging experience compared to traditional membrane keyboards. Whether you're reacting quickly in a shooter or typing out long messages, the keys feel consistent and dependable. For gaming, that responsiveness becomes especially valuable. Fast movements and quick commands register reliably, helping you stay focused on the action instead of worrying about missed inputs. The typing experience is also surprisingly enjoyable. The keys feel stable, and the overall layout remains comfortable despite the smaller size. While there may be a brief adjustment period if you're coming from a full-size keyboard, many users quickly adapt to the compact layout and begin appreciating the extra desk space it provides. One of the standout features of the K617 FIZZ is its RGB lighting. The keyboard includes vibrant lighting effects that allow you to personalize your setup and create a look that matches your style. Whether you prefer a subtle glow or more dynamic effects, the lighting adds personality without feeling overwhelming. It also helps improve visibility during late-night gaming sessions. Customization is another strong point. Through software support, users can adjust lighting effects, create profiles, and personalize certain functions to better suit their preferences. This level of flexibility helps make the keyboard feel more tailored to your individual setup. Comfort is another area where the K617 FIZZ performs well. The compact design keeps your hands closer together, reducing unnecessary movement during gameplay. For users who spend several hours gaming each day, small ergonomic improvements like this can contribute to a more comfortable experience over time. Performance remains consistent across a wide range of games. Whether you're playing competitive titles that demand fast reactions or more casual games that focus on exploration and creativity, the keyboard delivers dependable input every time. The switches feel responsive, and the overall experience remains smooth and predictable during extended use. Durability is another important factor. Mechanical keyboards are known for their longevity, and the K617 FIZZ feels designed to handle long-term use without losing its responsiveness. The switches are built to withstand countless key presses, helping ensure that the keyboard continues performing well even after months of daily gaming. Connectivity is simple and straightforward. The keyboard connects easily and works right out of the box, allowing you to jump into your games without complicated setup procedures. Sometimes simplicity is one of the most valuable features, and that's something the K617 FIZZ does well. When it comes to value, this keyboard sits in an extremely attractive position. It offers many of the benefits gamers want: mechanical switches, RGB lighting, compact design, and customization, while remaining highly affordable. For users upgrading from a basic keyboard, the difference in feel and performance can be significant. Even experienced gamers looking for a secondary keyboard or a budget-friendly compact option may find a lot to like here. Over time, reliability, comfort, and consistency tend to matter more than flashy extras. The K617 FIZZ focuses on those fundamentals, helping create a gaming experience that feels dependable every time you sit down to play. Overall, the Redragon K617 FIZZ mechanical gaming keyboard is a compact, responsive, and value-packed keyboard that combines mechanical performance, customizable lighting, and practical design into one complete package. If you're looking for an affordable mechanical gaming keyboard that delivers solid performance without taking up too much desk space, this is definitely one worth considering. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and turn on post notifications, because out of your top 5 best decisions, this could easily be one of them.